In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade BNB meme coins on Alph AI. Now, first you need to sign up for an account, so there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 5% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. Again, link down below, you will not regret it. So to trade BNB meme coins after you've connected your Telegram wallet, first make sure you actually go ahead and click on up here and select the BSC chain. Okay, after you've done that, click on your wallet over here and this drop down arrow and click on deposit, and then you'll have to basically deposit some BNB onto your wallet. Okay, so you could do this if you're holding any BNB on any of your wallets like Binance, Trust Wallet, Phantom, or whatever. You could just go ahead and deposit your BNB onto here. Now, after you've done that, of course, make sure you use your own address and your own code. Don't just use this because this is mine. And after you do it, you basically will have some balance up here, some BNB, and you can go ahead, go to meme top left, and you can find the new creations, almost graduated coins, or the graduated coins, and you can of course do your research and just find different coins in here, or you could go to trending and find the different newest and trending coins in here, or you could also just search for them up here using this search bar up top right. Now, whenever you find a coin you'd actually like to buy into, so for example, let's just go to a random coin over here, like let's say this one. Let's say this is the coin you actually want to buy, and again, I can't stress this enough, do your own research before you actually start trading these meme coins so you don't actually get scammed or something like that. And after this, you basically just have to go ahead and use this right hand panel where you can do buy or sell, as you can see, and then you can do a market or a limit order, put in the amount, set your take profits and stop losses if you want to, and then just click on the buy button, and then whenever you're ready, you can start by going here, clicking sell, and then pressing sell, and you've basically successfully traded BNB meme coins. Now, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.